Okay, I'm not wearing a mic, so my voice might just not just come as good. My brother has sent me another ukulele. And guess what? What are the odds? See how things happen. Exactly 1 year from today, I got my first ukulele as a birthday gift from my husband, and today I have it from my brother. And I don't know what it is. Why is this open? They're not even taped it. They haven't taped it. Stench. So, this is again Hurricane. This is my favorite brand. He actually had messaged me, what do you want? I said, another ukulele will be great. This is a tuna. Comes with this. We'll open this later. Let's open this, okay? Wow. Wow. This is basically a concert ukulele. Oh, it is bitterly untuned. This is rough. This is rough, but yeah. My new ukulele. I have to definitely get it tuned because this is really, really rough, and the strings need some love. Smell the wood. Oh, good. It has pins. Okay, I'm gonna put a strap with this. There is a strap which has come with the ukulele, but I can see it's the neck strap. So I've got a tuner with it as well. I have one tuner already, but I mean, another one will be a great addition. It comes with a battery, so I'm going to put a battery in it. So I have to tune this ukulele, but before that I have to give some love to the string. I have to give it a good massage. So the nuts are nice and sturdy. They're facing backwards. My other ukuleles have sidewards, so this is different. And this is nasty, but yeah, it's good. Then the headstock is different. Like mine is totally closed, the other ukuleles, but this one is open. So wow, this is a good addition. So this is in gold. This is encrypted in gold. Hurricane. Okay, in my other ukuleles it is black. Then I have some ivory thing going on. And this is a concert ukulele. So I now have all the 3 kinds of ukulele. I have soprano, I have concert, I have tenor. So now I can make a video about how to choose an ukulele, what are the kinds of ukulele so easily. I mean, I can literally demonstrate it to you. So I'll be doing that soon. I'll be making such videos. I will be making a video on how to tune a new ukulele. I'll be doing that shortly. So yeah, just stay with me.